Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore how you can control who sees your group activity on Strava. This is an important privacy feature that allows you to manage your shared workout data. First, open the Strava app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom and tap on the U icon on the right side. Then, take a look at the upper part of the screen and tap the Settings icon. After that, scroll down and select Privacy Controls. Next, find the Group Activity option and click on it. Then you will see three choices: Everyone, Followers, and Only You. Select the option that best fits your privacy preference. If you choose Everyone, anyone on Strava can see your group activity. If you choose Followers, only the people you follow or who follow you will have access. If you choose Only You, your group activity will remain completely private. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others.